All right, we're going to continue in the end of the year language review, okay? We're going to work on page 9 and 10. So go to page 10 for me, please. 9, sorry. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 9. Sweet. And just like in the video, it says we're talking about adjectives with ER and EST, right? So when you add ER to most one-syllable adjectives that compare two things, okay, it's ER, like smaller. So the black cat is smaller than the orange cat. So just two things. But you add EST to most one-syllable adjectives that compare three things or more. Okay, one of the three cats, of the three cats, the black one is the smallest. Okay, or the black one is the smallest cat out of all three. All right, let's do some examples together, and you guys can do the rest. It says choose the correct adjective in parentheses to complete each sentence. All right. Martin is blank than Marcia. Is it old, older, or oldest? Older, because it's just two people, right? It's not more than three. Three or more. Older. How about this one? That is a very blank car. I'm not comparing the car with anything else, right? So just small. How about this one? Mount Everest is the blank mountain in the world. Highest. I'm going to move this over. So older, small, and highest. Because it's comparing the mountain with three other things, right? Or more. Highest. Perfect. This is the blank blanket in the house. Yes, it's comparing one blanket with all the other blankets in the house, right? Warmest. Actually, yesterday I had to turn on my electric blanket. It was cold. Maria is blank than Jane right now. Happier, yes. Because we're just comparing two people. All right, so let's do 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So let's see. That was the blank sundae I've ever eaten. Biggest. It's comparing one to all the sundaes that he has ever eaten. Biggest. Katrina ran even blank than I did. Faster, yes. So if you wanted to, you could even fast. So you could even circle that, and then biggest is over here. All right. Okay, January is the blank month of the year. Coldest. Now, if I said January is colder than February, then it would be because I'm just comparing 2 months, right? But because I'm comparing January with all the other months of the year, coldest. Okay. This is a very blank fishing pole. Long. I'm not comparing anything with that one. And Mr. Jones is the blank teacher in the school. Nicest. Now, on page 10, to complete each sentence, you could add ER and EST, right? You could do that, of course. But some words, when you add ER, it doesn't make sense. You're going to use the word more or most. And here they give an example. Henry was taller than Francis. Okay. Okay, but here it says today was more pleasant than yesterday. All right. So let's do a couple. I'm gonna have to minimize this so you can see it. Perfect. So here I'm comparing the steak knife and the butter knife. So what am I gonna use? Boom. So a steak knife is sharper than a butter knife, and actually that is true. Okay. David is the blank player on the team. Fastest, good. Let's see. My drawing is blank than yours. More colorful, because you don't say colorful or colorful est. You don't say that. And it's more because it's only comparing your drawing with somebody else's, not with all the drawings ever, okay? How about this one? I think the book we read today is blank than the one we read yesterday. More interesting. Good. Katie's blank brother colored on the walls. Yes, because it's comparing herself with her brother. So it's her younger brother, her younger bro. And then this week's temperatures are blank than last week's temperatures. Not today. Today was colder than other days. That was the blank test I've ever taken. Okay. More would be I'm just comparing two things. If I'm comparing more than one, I'm going to use what? Most. Because difficultier or difficultiest, it doesn't sound right, does it? So that was the most difficult test I've ever taken. Isn't he the blank little boy you've ever met? Nicest. I'll go and do 9, 10, 11, and 12 by yourself. Here, that was a much more challenging homework assignment. Do you think a snake is blank than an owl? Slower. Robert's arms are blank than John's. Longer. And Joe has the blank feet of anyone in the family. Oh, you know that's funny. Now we're going to go to this packet, and you guys are going to be working on 11 and 12. Okay?